Welcome to an exciting journey into the world of camping inventions that will blow your mind. Have you ever wondered what the future of camping looks like? Well, get ready to find out because we're about to dive into some incredible innovations that take camping to the next level. From high-tech tents to amazing gadgets, we'll explore how technology is revolutionizing the way we experience the great outdoors. But here's the big question. Can you imagine camping without these amazing inventions? Let's embark on this adventure together and discover the future of camping. Anymaca. Anymaca has everything you need for an epic camping trip. First things first, let's talk about shelter. Our tents are built to last, keeping you safe and cozy during your outdoor escapades. No matter the weather, you can trust Anymaca to keep you dry and comfortable. Now, let's talk about sleep. After a long day of hiking and exploring, you'll need a good night's rest. That's where our sleeping bags come in. Soft, warm, and oh so comfortable, they'll have you snoozing in no time. But what about food? Don't worry, we've got you covered there too. With our portable cooking equipment, you can whip up delicious meals right in the heart of nature. From sizzling burgers to gooey s'mores, the possibilities are endless. Now, onto the fun stuff, exploring. With our lightweight backpacks and sturdy hiking boots, you can trek through rugged terrain and discover hidden gems. From winding trails to stunning vistas, there's so much to see and do. Magware 2.0. Introducing Magware 2.0, the ultimate kitchen organizer. Say goodbye to messy drawers and cluttered countertops because Magware 2.0 is here to revolutionize the way you cook. These sleek and stylish utensils come with powerful magnets, so they stick right to your kitchen wall. That means you'll have instant access to your cooking tools whenever you need them. No more fumbling around searching for the right spatula or spoon. But wait, there's more. Magware 2.0 isn't just convenient, it's also eco-friendly. These utensils are made from durable, sustainable materials, so you can feel good about reducing waste while you whip up delicious meals. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen newbie, Magware 2.0 is designed for everyone. It's time to upgrade your kitchen game and simplify your life with Magware 2.0. Jetboil Genesis. The Jetboil Genesis, your go-to cooking buddy for outdoor adventures. No more bland meals when you're out exploring nature. This cooking system is your ticket to gourmet delights right in the heart of the great outdoors. With its smart design and powerful performance, the Jetboil Genesis makes outdoor cooking super easy. Just connect it to the fuel source, ignite, and you're all set to cook up a feast in no time. From delicious breakfasts to savory dinners, this system can handle it all. What's really cool is its precise flame control, ensuring your meals are cooked perfectly every single time. Whether you're simmering, sautéing, or boiling, this compact, lightweight, and fuel-efficient system has got you covered. So why settle for boring trail food? With the Jetboil Genesis, you can enjoy gourmet meals wherever your adventure takes you. Heritage 1.0. Heritage 1.0 Hiking Stick, your ultimate companion for outdoor adventures. Crafted with precision and passion, the Heritage 1.0 isn't just any hiking stick. It's your trusted partner, helping you navigate through rough terrain with ease and style. Its ergonomic grip and adjustable height ensure maximum comfort and stability, making every step feel secure. Made from premium materials, this hiking stick is built to last, providing you with reliability and support for years to come. Whether you're a seasoned trekker or just starting out, the Heritage 1.0 is perfect for any outdoor enthusiast. So why wait? Step into the wilderness with confidence, knowing that the Heritage 1.0 hiking stick has got your back every step of the way. Oasis Go Air Lounger. Introducing the Oasis Go Air Lounger, your ultimate relaxation companion. Forget the hassle of pumps and bulky equipment because setting up this lounger is a breeze. With just a few swift movements, you can inflate it effortlessly, anywhere, anytime. No more struggling to blow up inflatables or dealing with complicated setups. But it's not just about convenience. It's about comfort too. Made with durable, high-quality materials, the Oasis Go Air Lounger offers the perfect blend of support and coziness. It's like sitting on a cloud. Whether you're chilling out solo or hanging with friends, this lounger ensures you're lounging in style. And talk about versatility. Take it to the beach for a day of sun-soaked relaxation, bring it along to the park for a picnic with friends, or even use it at music festivals for a comfy spot to enjoy the tunes. The possibilities are endless. So why settle for uncomfortable beach towels or bulky chairs when you can elevate your relaxation game with the Oasis Go Air Lounger? The concrete oasis. Picture this. You're surrounded by Mother Nature's beauty, with gentle breezes rustling through the trees and the sky painted with the warm hues of a setting sun. But hold on tight, because there's a whole lot more to this outdoor adventure than meets the eye. Step inside the concrete oasis and prepare to be amazed. This isn't just any old van, it's a sanctuary on wheels, designed with your relaxation and convenience in mind. Take a seat on the plush, comfortable seating and feel your worries melt away. And oh, those windows. They're not just any windows. They're large, panoramic ones that offer you breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Whether you've spent the day hiking through the wilderness or you're gearing up for a night of stargazing, the concrete oasis has got everything you need. It's your cozy retreat in the heart of nature, where you can kick back, relax, and let the beauty of the outdoors wash over you. Aspit Compact Spit Rotisserie. The Aspit Compact Spit Rotisserie, your new best friend for outdoor cooking. No more stressing over your grill. This baby does all the work for you. Whether you're chilling in your backyard, camping in the wild, or cheering on your team at a tailgate party, the Aspit Compact Spit Rotisserie has got your back for delicious meals on the fly. It's small and easy to carry, so you can take it anywhere your adventures lead you. Just set it up, kick back, and let the Aspit do its thing. You're in control with adjustable settings, making sure every piece of meat is cooked just right. Join the happy campers who've already amped up their outdoor cooking game with the Aspit Compact Spit Rotisserie. It's time to take your meals from basic to gourmet with ease. Alpha Zim Planet. Say goodbye to the hassle of complicated tent poles and confusing instructions. With Alpha Zim Planet, setting up camp is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Simply pop it open and voila, you're all set to relax and enjoy the beauty of nature. But wait, there's more. It's not just about convenience. It's about comfort too. Thanks to its innovative design and high-quality materials, the Alpha Zim Planet tent offers the perfect sanctuary after a day of exploring. No more cramped quarters. Say hello to luxury camping at its finest. Now, let's talk durability. Whether you're facing scorching heat, torrential rain, or gusty winds, the Alpha Zim Planet tent is built to withstand it all. So you can camp with confidence, knowing that your shelter can handle whatever Mother Nature throws its way. Why settle for ordinary camping gear when you can elevate your outdoor experience with Alpha Zim Planet? Say hello to stress-free camping and hello to unforgettable adventures. Go Camp Bike. Go Camp Bike is not just any bike. It's an innovative marvel. It goes from a compact carry case to a fully functional bike in just seconds. Imagine that. Whether you're riding through tough terrain or just taking a casual spin around the campground, this bike has your back. And guess what? It's not just about biking, it's about exploring. Our specially designed Go Camp Bike is perfect for everyone, whether you're a pro cyclist or just starting out. But wait, there's more. After a fun-filled day of biking, why not kick back and relax at your campsite? Surrounded by the tranquility of nature, it's the perfect way to unwind and bond with your loved ones. So why settle for ordinary when you can have something extraordinary with the GooGo Camp Bike? Embrace your adventurous side today. Wow, wasn't that amazing? We've seen some truly incredible camping inventions that are just mind-blowing. From high-tech tents to super cool gadgets, it's clear that camping is getting even more fun and exciting. But guess what? There's still more to explore. So, if you want to see more awesome inventions and never miss out on the latest camping trends, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Don't forget to turn on notifications too, so you'll always be the first to know about our new videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Happy camping!